Hello and welcome to Pregnancy Info. Here we are going to share the foods to have an intelligent baby. Are you wondering what to eat during pregnancy to make your baby intelligent? Then here are the top foods that are highly recommended for pregnant women. Number 1. Take your daily prenatal vitamin. Taking a daily complete prenatal plus DHA multivitamin will help you get those extra nutrients you may not be getting in your everyday life. Look for a prenatal with DHA and choline, both essential for baby's brain development. We recommend taking Feed Mom and Me Complete Post Prenatal and DHA multivitamin. Omega-3 like DHA. Active forms of omega-3 fatty acids are docosahexaenoic acid and eicosapentaenoic acid, which are vitally important for your developing baby's brain and AMP retina during pregnancy. DHA is the critical component of the cell membrane in the brain, eyes, and nervous system. It also supports the development of cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. The fetal brain growth accelerates during your second trimester and continues growth for several years after birth. During pregnancy and lactation, it is recommended women's daily intake of at least 200 mg of DHA. Both DHA and EPA are primarily derived from seafoods and algae. Foods in omega-3 rich component are fish such as salmon, mackerel, tuna, herring, and sardines. Fortified eggs, flax, and chia seeds are good prenatal vitamins with natural DHA will smell a little fishy. Choline. Choline is vital for the proper development of your baby's brain and spinal cord. It also helps from the neurotransmitters in the brain, which the nervous system uses to transmit messages between neurons and a neuron to muscles. It also influences lifelong memory functions to your developing baby. Best food rich in choline for pregnant women: lean beef and poultry, fish such as salmon, dairy products such as eggs, potatoes, vegetables such as Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and cauliflower, some grains such as quinoa, some nuts such as peanuts. Vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex plays a critical role during pregnancy for your developing baby's brain. They help aid the production of numerous aspects of brain function, including energy production, DNA and RNA, synthesis and repair, genomic and non-genomic methylation, and the synthesis of numerous neurochemicals and signaling molecules. They can also be considered a potent antioxidant capable of protecting the brain's cellular membrane. Best foods rich in vitamin B complex for pregnant women are poultry, lean bean, and meat, fish such as tuna and salmon, dairy products such as eggs, milk, yogurt, nuts and seeds such as peanuts, sunflower seeds, hazelnuts, pistachio, cashew nuts, legumes such as chickpeas, black eye peas, and kidney beans, whole grains such as whole wheat, brown rice, and oats, enriched and fortified foods such as many breads and cereals, vegetables such as mushrooms, avocados, potatoes, asparagus, and Brussels sprout and broccoli, leafy vegetables such as spinach and mustard greens, fruits such as papaya, oranges, and bananas, dried fruits such as apricots and prunes. Antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your baby's brain, development tissues, and cellular membranes from damage and free radicals. Free radicals are unstable atoms that can damage cells. Produce certain the most amounts of antioxidants that are good for you and your baby. Try to consume 7 servings of well-washed fruits and vegetables daily. Best foods rich in antioxidants for pregnant women are dark chocolate, pecans, berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and goji berries, vegetables such as artichoke, broccoli, asparagus, and squash, leafy vegetables such as kale, spinach, cabbage, lettuce, collard greens, root vegetables such as carrots, beet, radish, legumes such as beans, peas, avocado. Iron. Iron is one of the critical nutrients in developing a healthy baby. It helps your baby produce hemoglobin, a protein that carries oxygen from your red blood cells, delivering life-sustaining oxygen to your baby. Oxygen helps flourish your baby's brain's development. Make sure you have hydrated when consuming iron to help avoid constipation. Best foods rich in iron for pregnant women are lean meat and poultry, iron-fortified breakfast cereals and breads, legumes such as white beans, lentils, spinach, kidney beans, peas, and edamame. Dried fruits such as raisins, apricots, peaches, and prawns. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, broccoli, and collard greens. Protein. Every cell in your body requires proteins, numerous amino acids to help your body make new cells and repair cells. Research has shown that proteins are essential for the function of brain cells and the development of your baby's brain. Best foods rich in protein for pregnant women are meats and poultry. Fish such as salmon and shrimp, dairy such as egg, milk, legumes such as beans, lentils, split peas, nuts, seeds such as peanuts, walnuts, cashew, pistachio, and almonds, whole grains. Iodine. Your thyroid needs iodine to produce triiodothyronine and thyroxine hormone in both your developing baby and your during pregnancy. Iodine plays a crucial role in aiding the formation of your growing baby's cerebral cortex and neocortex, visual and auditory cortex, hippocampus, and cerebellum. The fetal thyroid is not fully active up until the 20th week of pregnancy. Therefore, your baby is entirely dependent on material thyroxine supply. Best foods rich in iodine for pregnant women are seafood, fish such as cod, tuna, seaweed, and shrimp, dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese, and iodized salt. Zinc. Zinc is a key micronutrient that helps with the rapid growth and development of babies' cells and tissues, aiding the development of the brain's hippocampal and cerebellar, making it essential for your baby's brain development. Best foods rich in zinc for pregnant women are lean beef and poultry, nuts such as cashews, almonds, and peanuts, fortified breakfast cereals. To ensure that your baby inherits your braininess, we bring you 8 more tips that ensure that your baby is smart and intelligent. Start a story time habit. When does learning begin? Psychologist and parenting expert Polly Sengupta says the foundations for language begin in the womb, and by the 3rd trimester, your baby can memorize sounds she or he hears regularly. Stay fit and active. Love the endorphin boost you get from exercise. Well, so does your baby. Staying fit, active, in all the more important during pregnancy. Fight the urge to laze around and get off the couch if you want to make your baby smarter and brilliant. Play music and get talking. As the baby grows in her mother's womb, she or he begins to hear and even respond to sound. She or he may not understand what you are saying, but stimulating your baby by talking or even singing can help with his or her brain development. Keep thyroid levels in check. Thyroid is essential for the body. During pregnancy, if your thyroid level is unstable, it can affect the baby. Deficiency of thyroid in the mother can affect intelligence quotient of the baby. Don't ignore the supplements. During pregnancy, your body needs extra nourishment through a wholesome meal will provide you the ample nutrition. You must take additional supplements for the well-being of the baby and a smooth delivery. Get a little sunshine. Never before has vitamin D been so important. All you need to do is soak some sunshine up to 20 minutes a day. We test the pregnant moms who come to our clinic for vitamin D, and more than half of them are deficient. That's due to combination of a lack of sunlight and not getting enough vitamin D in their diet. Gently massage your tummy. According to a Time magazine article, rubbing your belly gently is also a good stimulation for the baby. A baby still in the womb can feel your touch. From around 20 weeks, your baby will feel your touching your bump, and stroking it can send calming messages to his or her nervous system. Now, here are some precautions that can affect your baby's development. Be sure to monitor everything you put into your mouth and keep in mind about choosing fresh and organic food to eat during pregnancy for an intelligent baby. Avoid processed foods, sugary substances, and definitely avoid things like alcohol, smoking, and anything that contributes to an unhealthy lifestyle. Avoid raw meat, fish with mercury, raw shellfish, and caffeine, since these increase the likelihood of contamination, thereby leading to complications and or a miscarriage. Ensure that you wash the fruits and vegetables you eat very well before cutting them. Gems, if not removed properly, can enter the flesh of the fruits when they are being cut, and this could cause trouble for you and your unborn baby later on. If you feel like your intake of fruits and veggies needs to be increased, include it in your other meals. Chop up veggies and add them to your omelette, or cut up fruits and then to your bowl of oatmeal or porridge. There are several ways to incorporate them into your daily meals. You can also fruit juice, but make sure that you don't substitute these juices for the actual fruits. I hope I have explained all the tips, precautions, and the foods for the intelligent baby. If you find this video useful, then like it, share it, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.